Many drinks can be enhanced by using a cocktail smoker, and using a Silky Talon cocktail smoker will take it to another level. Today we're going to make an old fashioned, and we're going to smoke it using a Silky Talon cocktail smoker. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of rye. Two dashes of bitters. I like to use agave syrup. Not too sweet. And then a splash of Grand Marnier. We're going to use Silky Talon Hickory smoking chips. Don't use too many. You need to get good airflow. Take your mini torch or culinary torch. These smokers hold the smoke in quite well, but for presentation, I like to put the cap on. Just let it sit for 10 seconds. Enjoy.